Welcome to week 3 of Graham's weight loss journey. Welcome to week 3. We're in the greenhouse, as you can see. The weather's a bit inclement out there with the storm we had last night, but we're going to stay in here for safety's sake. Okay, do you remember the first week when we cut out the sugar, the biscuits, the cakes? You know, I managed to push through that, as most of you did as well. But if you didn't, it's not the end of the world. It just means your journey is just going to be that a little bit longer. Then we talked about white bread and the sugar in it and the dangers of that and how we can minimise that. And I asked you to drink 8 glasses of water. Your body needs it to function. But if you can do it, that's fine. If you can't, it's not the end of the world. But remember, stay tuned, and at the end, you'll see some surprising results on the weight loss.
Go ahead.
Week 3. What we're going to try and do this week is minimise, not cut out, these little beauties. These potatoes we'll find in crisps, in mashed potato, we'll find them in roast potato, in chips. And so what I'm saying is not cut them out, let's minimise them. Did you know these little potatoes, they've got starch in, and our bodies turn the starch into sugar. And if we don't expel that energy, our bodies will turn it into fat, which devalues everything we're trying to do. And that's not what we want, is it? Now, there is ways around this. I've found if I use a smaller plate and have a smaller portion, my brain tells me I'm having a full plate. But if I put the small portion on a big plate, my brain's telling me I'm hungry, I'm hungry. So that's just a little tip that may help. Okay, so let's move on and let's see where the previous 2 weeks have taken us on the weigh-in. Welcome to the weigh-in. On the first week we cut out sugars, cakes and biscuits. The second week we cut out white bread and we was drinking 2.5 litres of water. Okay, so where does that take us? Let's have a look. I'd just like to say thank you to everyone who subscribed this past week. It means so much to us. So on behalf of Tatty Planet Productions and myself, thank you very much. And let's push on, let's not leave it there. Like and subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll just watch this channel grow. Right, there you have it. I'm down 15 pounds, 1 stone, 1 pound in 2 weeks by just cutting out sugars and bread. Surely if that's the proof you need, there it is. So stay tuned, keep watching, and I'll see you next week.